555 timer IC is an integrated circuit chip used in a variety of timer, pulse generation, and oscillator applications. The 555 can be used to provide time delays, as an oscillator, and as a flip-flop element. Derivatives provide up to 4 timing circuits in one package. Introduced in 1971 by American company Ic555, the 555 is still in widespread use due to its low price, ease of use, and stability. It is now made by many companies in the original bipolar and also in low-power CMOS types. As of 2003, it was estimated that 1 billion units are manufactured every year. The 555 is the most popular integrated circuit ever manufactured. The IC was designed in 1971 by Hans R. Kamensend under contract to Ic555, which was later acquired by Dutch company Philips Semiconductors, now NXP. Depending on the manufacturer, the standard 555 package includes 25 transistors, 2 diodes and 15 resistors on a silicon chip installed in an 8-pin mini dual inline package, DIP. 8 variants available include the 556, a 14-pin DIP combining 2 555s on one chip, and the 2 558 and 559s, both a 16-pin DIP combining 4 slightly modified 555s with DIS and THR connected internally, and TR is falling edge sensitive instead of level sensitive. The Ic555 parts were commercial temperature range, 0 degrees C to plus 70 degrees C, and the Ic555 part number designated the military temperature range, minus 55 degrees C to plus 125 degrees C. These were available in both high reliability metal can, T package, and inexpensive epoxy plastic, V package, packages. Thus the full part numbers were NE555B, NE555T, SE555B, and SE555T. It has been hypothesized that the 555 got its name from the 3 5KO resistors used within 5, but Hans Kamensend has stated that the number was arbitrary. Low-power versions of the 555 are also available, such as the 7555 and CMOS TLC555. The 7555 is designed to cause less supply noise than the classic 555, and the manufacturer claims that it usually does not require a control capacitor and in many cases does not require a decoupling capacitor on the power supply. Those parts should generally be included, however, because noise produced by the timer or variation in power supply voltage might interfere with other parts of a circuit or influence its threshold voltages. The Ic555 has 3 operating modes. Bistable mode or Schmidt trigger. The 555 can operate as a flip-flop if the DIS pin is not connected and no capacitor is used. Uses include bounce-free latched switches. Monostable mode. In this mode, the 555 functions as a one-shot pulse generator. Applications include timers, missing pulse detection, bounce-free switches, touch switches, frequency divider, capacitance measurement, pulse width modulation, PWM, and so on. Astable, free-running mode. The 555 can operate as an electronic oscillator. Uses include LED and lamp flashers, pulse generation, logic clocks, tone generation, security alarms, pulse position modulation, and so on. The 555 can be used as a simple ADC, converting an analog value to a pulse length. For example, selecting a thermistor as timing resistor allows the use of the 555 in a temperature sensor, and the period of the output pulse is determined by the temperature. The use of a microprocessor-based circuit can then convert the pulse period to temperature, linearize it, and even provide calibration means.